Okay.
Bleibt gesund, mir Krocke, bleib mir gesund. Es fahrt die Vorgespann schon vor mein Haus. Es treibt der wilde Säune, wie man treibt der Hund. Mir doch sorg es mich von dir erreut. Bleibt gesund, mir Krocke. Ich seh sicher verheint. Das letzte Mal mit alles, was lieb ist mir. Auf mein Mannes Geber. Es kann sich heus gewähnt. Schwer gewähnt, das schäden sich mit ihr. Heus gewähnt die Augen, bis der letzte Träger, wann es mit seinem Tatens Garten stehen. Hob dem Seidens Geber nicht gefunden mehr. Es muss schon sanft von sein Matzeve sein. Bleibt gesund, mir Krocke. Heilig ist dein Erd, Tate Mame ruhen doch in ihr. Leben sie zu liegen, ist mir nicht beschert. Es war der Käfer, geht weit auf mir. Bleibt gesund, mir Krocke. Bleibt mir gesund. Es war die Vorgespann schon vor mein Haus. Es treibt der wilde Säune, wie man treibt der Hund. Mir das so ist mit von dir raus.
Okay, just
I see a photo, yeah.
just one moment. Yeah. Okay. So let's start reading it. Janet, please, can you start? Janet, you're muted.
I'm trying to unmute.
That's okay. Now you are
Can
okay.
you hear me now?
Yes.
We have already heard a number of songs by Mordke Gebirtig. When the Nazis occupied Krakow in 1940, they began to cleanse it of Jews, first with a voluntary expulsion program, limiting the possessions and food they could take. By August 15, 23,000 Jews had left the city. This mandatory expulsions were enforced, again limiting what food and possessions they could take. By December, 43,000 Jews had been removed from Krakow. During this period, Gebirtig and his family were forced to leave Krakow for Legivnicy. And that was when he wrote Bleib gesund, mir Krocke, Farewell Krakow. In 1941, the Nazis enclosed a ghetto and forced Gebirtig back to Krakow in 1942. His wife and children were murdered in Belzec. He was murdered in Krakow. The song is sung here by the Polish group Klezmorim Trio.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Rochelle, can you start, please?
Yes. Bleib gesund, mir Krakau. Bleib mir gesund. Svorti
Swart.
wart die pur gespannt schon vor mein Haus. Schreibt der Lieder
Wilder,
Wilder.
Wilder.
De
Wilder.
wilde
Die wilde Scheune wie
Soin. De wilde Soin.
Scheune, wie man treibt, ach Hund, mit
Asias.
Asiris mir von dir arois. I don't
Okay,
know.
so translate it. Elaine, I see you, but first let her translate it, okay?
Farewell, Krakow. Farewell, Krakow, in a different form. War die pur gespannt schon vor mein Haus. I don't. Who's waiting in front of the house? I don't know.
Cart. It's a
Wagon.
cart.
It's
Let
wagon.
Maurice, please, let Maurice.
Es war die vorgespannt schon vor mein Haus. The wagon is already harnessed in front of my
In
house.
front of my house. Streibt der wilde Säune, wie man treibt der Hund. The wild enemy is at us like we were dogs.
Mm.
Mit Achzuren,
Asias.
Achziris mir von dir arois. I don't know what Achziris is.
Cruelty.
Oh, with cruelty, I'm leaving.
Right. So the point is that he's being driven out of his house
By
the way
cruelty.
you drive a dog cruelly. Fundir he's talking about his home. He's being driven out of the deer is his home. It's Krakow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so Elaine, you will continue, Rochelle, but Elaine, yes?
Yeah, can you explain what near means? Like, what is it? Is it just an idiomatic way of saying farewell? I didn't understand what near means in the first two.
Sure. So like in colloquial conversational Yiddish, when you leave someone, you can say sei gesinnt, sei mir gesinnt, or bleib mir. In other words, stay well for me. It's a little bit more personal than you say.
Oh.
Sei gesinnt is stay well, bleib gesinnt, but bleib gesinnt mir for me because it's painful to him.
Is that a reflexive verb then?
No,
No.
I think it's
no,
just
that would be sich. That would be
right.
sich.
No, it's
That's
just,
all right.
right. It's for me.
For me.
Like sei mir gesinnt. Stay well for me.
Can I ask a question?
Yes,
Sure.
sure.
So that last line, mit achzerios, how do you pronounce that?
Achzios.
Achzeros.
Yes, right.
Serious. It's an Hebrew word.
So it's cruelty.
Yes,
Cruelty,
that's an Hebrew
right.
word for cruelty, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Okay, can you continue, Rochelle?
Ja, bleib gesund, mir Krakau. Ich seh dich öfter heint. Das letzte Mal mit alles, was lieb is mir. I'll translate from there.
Yeah.
Farewell, Krakow. I see you perhaps for the last time with everything that is dear to me.
Good.
Auf mein Mames Kever, Herz sich ausgewehnt, schwer gewehnt, das Scheiden sich mit ihr. On my mother's grave, I cried my heart out. It was difficult to part from her.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Elaine.
again, the word heint.
It's today. Maybe he's saying maybe this is the last time. Letzte Mal. Ich sehe dich öfter heint. Maybe I'm seeing you today.
Today
The
for
last
the
time.
It continues. Letzte Mal continues after
oh,
ein.
Right, it
okay,
continues.
okay,
Right.
okay, got it.
Sure.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Barbara, can you continue?
Okay. Euch geweint die Augen, bis der letzte Träger. It's pouring out of my eyes until the last tear. War netzt mit See dem Tatens kalten Stein. This is being next to her is my father's cold tombstone. Is
Yes.
that right?
Vanette's,
Yeah,
Vanette's,
but Benet.
it's his tears have watered.
Well, wet.
Yes,
Okay.
they've wet. Right.
They're
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. A wet
His father's tombstone.
stone. Ich hab dem Kever nicht gefunden mehr. And I can't even find my Zadie's grandfather's tombstone anymore. Es muss schon samt von sein Matseva
Save it. Right.
sein. It must have turned into sand,
Right.
is his tombstone.
Right.
Yeah. Go on, Barbara, go on.
Oh, bleibt gesund, mir, Krake. Farewell, Krake. A heilig is dein Erd, holy is your ground. Tata Mama, ruhen doch in ihr. My mother and father are lying in it, in you. Leben See zu liegen is mir nicht beschert, but lying next to them is not my fate. Severt Akeve gets weit auf mir. My grave will be far away somewhere.
Good. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Elaine, go on, please.
Bleib gesund, mir Krake. Bleib je mir gesund. Es ward die vorgespannt, schein fahr mein Haus. Streibt der wilder Säune, wie man treibt a Hund, mit Achseres mich von dir arois. And
Soine is with an Aleph, not with an A.
Oh.
with an Aleph.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Do you want me to?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
do I
We
have to
already did it, but yeah, go on.
Yeah.
You want me to translate it anyway?
Yes, please.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Farewell, Krakow. Farewell. The wagon is waiting, already harnessed in front of my house. The savage enemy is chasing like one chases a dog with cruelty and sends me away from you. Is sending me away from you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's listen to it again.
Speel naar Bessel Heuger.
I cannot. That's 100%.
Nou,
Bleib gesund, mir Krake. Bleib mir gesund. Es fahrt die Vorgespann schon vor mein Haus. Es treibt der wilde Säune, wie man treibt der Hund. Mit Achsorius mich von der Reus. Bleibt gesund, mir Krake. Ich seh sich verheint, das letzte Mal mit alles, was lieb ist mir. Auf mein Mannes Geber kann sich ausgewähnt, schwer gewähnt, das Schreiben sich mit ihr. Ausgewählt die Augen, bis der letzte Träger wann jetzt mit seidem Tat ins kalten Stein, hol dem seidens Gewehr, nicht gefunden mehr, es muss schön sanft und sein, was sei will sein. Bleibt gesund, mir Krocke, heilig ist dein Erd, Tate Mame ruhen doch in ihr, Leben sei zu liegen, ist mir nicht beschert, es war der Käfer, geht weit auf mir. Gesund, mir Krocke. Bleibt mir gesund, es war die Vorgespann schon vor mein Haus. Es treibt der wilde Säune, wie man treibt der Hund. Mir das so ist mit von dir heraus.
Any comments? Any questions? I see Bonnie. Yes, Bonnie.
Was he one of the murdered poets?
No, no.
Well, he was murdered in Krakow during the German occupation.
Right.
At the end, when they started to ship Jews for extermination, they shipped his wife and his
I didn't
kids.
know if after that,
No.
only because today is the, or would
Yeah,
be the
but
night
the
of the
murder-
murdered poets.
But those is the same
happened
day as today,
before.
but 1952,
The Murdered
Right.
Poets by Stalin. And he was
Right.
murdered by the Nazis.
by the
Right.
Nazis. Yeah.
Earlier.
Yeah.
Right.
Got it.
But a good question.
Any other comments, questions? Okay. If not, Saul, it's your turn.
Well, thank you very much.
So
Yeah.
just let me say, Saul is a poet. Not only is he a poet, but he is a poet in Yiddish, which is really, So today he will read one of his original poems. So
How
please.
lovely.
If you could just keep in mind that I grew up speaking and understanding Yiddish. If I could, I would have written it in Yiddish. So this is based upon the Yiddish that I grew up with. The name of the poem is Sitz mit mir bloß, sit with me only. Sitz mit mir bloß, auf mein Scheuß. De zeil mir Sachen, in wuss mir ken lachen. Bin kinderische Gedanken, reinig aus von Kopf, die ungeleikte Schanken. De Mandach, wenn de Gitterzaten, wenn so die gunisch gekennt Schatten. Wenn du bist darin gegangen mit a Schmeichel, gerät mit kinderische Seichel. Bin redderdicke Hind, in lachedicke Katz. Bin gelachte, in Augen, bin Freit, vernetzt. Bin zerrissene Schier, was mat geseide gesicht. Bin lachedicke Hemde, ausgetien sleep de Zimmer Hitz, in Ibegelot, bei Fremde. Bin verchasedicke Häusen, Keschnes gefielt mit Steine, a pur Größe in a Sach kleine. A heimgekimmen in ein Gewein, der war mottig behandelt, sehr gemein. Also is, wenn wir's jing, rett raus alles, was is auf de Zink. Denn in ein Gewein bleibt alles Stein. Wenn bechabt sich beide arim, en me weet warm in de Schmeichel in de Sinn. De Wahl, die sitzt bloß in Liebschaft auf mein Scheuß.
Oh,
Thank you.
beautiful.
Thank you, Sol. I sent you,
Nikki, I'm still very pale.
Say again?
I forward you the poem. So if you want to go back and read it, you
Yeah.
can go back and
Can we
read it.
read it one more time?
Can we
Is there-
translate it?
The
No,
translation.
no, we are not going to. No. I think it's very good as it is now. If you want to go over it, you will do it by yourself, at your, on your own time. And I send it to you. If you want, I can send it again.
If
When
you,
did you,
Okay.
when did you send it?
I sent it together with the material on Thursday.
And the translation is in the PDF.
And the translation
Oh,
is
okay.
in the file.
See how
I think it won't be really good if we start translating.
No, if we have the translation, that's fine.
That's all, that's fine.
We have the
Good.
translation, we have it. If you want, I can send it to
Translated
you
by
again.
And if you'd
Translated
like-
by the author, so you know it is actually what he meant to say.
yeah, and if you have any questions or any comments, shoot me an email or phone number, whatever, and we can communicate if you'd like to have any more comments.
Okay. I
Can we
think
say, how do you
that's
say,
a good idea.
how do you say poet laureate of Yiddish? You are our poet laureate. Please stay with us.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
Is
I've
your
got the-
email on the
No.
poem?
No.
Okay, so
I can send Sal's email out, or Beverly can. We'll communicate.
okay.
Do you
Yes,
see
please.
my name? Do you see my name? Sal Awind up there?
Yes.
Yes.
It's all lowercase. It's salawind@gmail.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, I see that Michael Fissman raised his hand.
Yeah, just curious about the dialect. It's definitely not Litvish. So,
Definitely not.
It's the same dialect I grew up with.
Yes.
Exactly.
It's us Galiciane.
Yeah.
okay.
Well,
You can
thank
see how
you.
confusing that was in Mittelschule.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you, Sol. Thank you. And we will be glad, whenever you write a new one, that you read it for us, but just read it, okay?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it loses.
No, as long as we have translation in the.
It's good. I
Yes,
found it. It's interlinear translation. It's really good.
Where
Exactly.
exactly was his family from? Where exactly?
My mother came from a town close to Warsaw called Skarżysko, Kamienia. And my father came from the town of Oświęcim.
Okay.
That's where Auschwitz is.
It's Auschwitz.
Exactly, that's Auschwitz. Yeah.
Auschwitz.
Yeah, and he was there. He went into the camps, and he had his number on his left arm, and he went to various, I think 2 or 3 other camps, and unfortunately, he got sick after I was 2 years after I was born, and he died in 1949, 31 years old.
Oh, my.
And my mom and I came to America together.
Wow.
Okay, those are Holocaust stories, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Anyway, let's move back to our guys that are chasing what's happening with Shorabor, and we are going to finish it. Well, not the whole story, because the story with the Shorabor goes on and on and on, but we are going to finish it for us. And if you want to continue, you can. The book is online at the book center, and there is even an English translation. There is even an Hebrew translation. I got the book.
Kannst du machen,
Yes, I just want to. I just want to get to the. Yeah, that's the. I just wanted to get to the. Yeah. So we are here. Ob ich versteht ihr mich? Susan, I will mark it. That's where we are now, Susan. Can you continue?
Okay, where are you starting?
Here, where the blue one is. I
Oh,
marked it in
ob
blue.
ich versteht ihr mich?
Yeah.
I did, you understand. Hot Shloime HaMelech weiter Gerät. Solomon the king went on talking. Ungeschrieben den Brief. Ungefragt. I wrote the letter. I asked, wo sie willen und dem Brief weggeschickt. They said what they wanted and they sent the letter mit einer von meinen Brieftauben. They sent it with one of my letter carrier pigeons.
Yeah.
Ich rechne als morgen, übermorgen wollen wir haben an answer. I'm supposing that tomorrow or the day after tomorrow we'll get an answer. Was heißt hat geschrieben unser Wissen? What do you mean that he wrote without us knowing it? Hat sich ungeheuben a tumult von unten. There rose up a tumult, a lot of discussion, noise from I guess down in the crowd.
Yeah.
Wir haben Gott wie euch gemacht wissen. We also, would you say almost?
At least
We're able to know was steht in Vinkl. At least we should have known what was written in the letter. Wir haben doch etwas euch a stickel heilig in der Indian, because we also have a little part in the matter.
So just a moment, Susan. Susan, you will continue, but just a moment. Yes, Bonnie.
So in the prior section, there was ungeschrieben und ungefragt, and I don't know grammatically what the un means when written and asked, but there's
no ungeheuben. It says here ungeheuben. Ungefragt, ungeschrieben, ungefragt. Yeah.
But I don't. In my very basic grammar, geschrieben was he wrote and he asked, but what is the un prefix? How does that change the meaning?
Out.
It doesn't really change the meaning.
No. It's the same meaning.
You wrote to them. You sent them a letter.
Okay,
so it's like writing it down. That doesn't change the meaning, only makes it stronger.
Right. It could have said geschrieben, yeah.
Okay, go on, Susan.
Shlomo HaMelech hat von Tamid unfeind, als men redt im entgegen. Solomon the king always hated.
Hated, yes.
He hated as that they talk they talk around in front of him.
Against him.
Against him.
They opposed him.
Hat sich ausgezogen in sein ganzer Länge. He stretched out to his full height. Die Bord seiner hat geflammt. His beard was bright and burning, like it was burning. Die Augen geblitzt. His eyes thundered. His eyes like lightning. Hat a Geschrei getun. He gave a yell mit sein Leben Stimm. Would Lebensstimm be his full voice?
Yeah.
How would you translate like Lebensstimm?
Lebensstimm, maybe.
He yelled out in his highest voice, like he was yelling for help.
Maybe lion's voice.
Life force.
Let's hear.
As hard as he could, I would say.
As hard as he could, yeah.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
As hard as he could. and he yelled out, Smyrna. That's the name, yes?
No. Attention.
Oh,
Attention.
is
Like,
it
like you know, like
Russian?
it's Russian. Attention. Like you know, like he's in the
Smyrna.
army. Like they're in the army. Attention. Stand to attention.
Oh, enough.
Okay, so just before you continue, Barbara.
Okay,
yes?
so I have a question. I mean, we always know that Shlomo HaMelech was very controlled, and it also says Shlomo HaMelech hat von Tomid own fight. So it says without anger, without.
No, from Tomid on always.
From
That's the
always.
expression is
That's
Tomid
the
on.
expression.
Right,
From Tomid on always.
Oh, thank you. Okay, now I
Yeah.
understand why it is
Which word was always?
Here,
Tomid on.
from Tomid on. This
Oh,
one.
thank you. Now it makes
From
sense.
And he's calling them to attention.
Yeah,
Okay, go.
and I think, I think Laban Shtim might mean roar like a lion's
Like a
roar.
lion, like a
Yeah,
lion.
like a
That's
lion's
what I
roar.
thought. Yeah,
Yeah.
like
Thank
a
you
lion.
thank you.
Go on, Susan.
Die Tzadikim sind geblieben stehen, wie Zellner vor seiner Kommandant. The Tzadikim, the righteous ones, stayed where they were, and they stayed like soldiers in front of their commander. Mit kein Oig nicht kein Pintel getun afilu. They didn't even move their eye a bit. A 15 Minute seien sie azoi gestanden. They stayed like that for 15 minutes. Bis Shlomo HaMelech hat a commandeer getun, until Shlomo the Melech gave an order.
Go on. Genug.
More?
Genug. Yeah, go on.
Genug. Enough. It's kontir gehen heim. Now you can go home. Und as ich will bekommen an answer, and if I get an answer from dem goyischen Gan Eden, from the goyish paradise, will ich euch to
Zu wissen.
zu wissen tun. I will let you know. Will ich zu wissen tun.
Okay.
Is a rope von der Bima. He got off the stage, sich durchgestuppt durch den Oilem, and he pushed himself through the crowd. In Dreußen hat gewahrt die gildene Karette. Outside, the golden chariot was waiting.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Susan. Beverly, can you go on? Here. Noch Shlomo ist weggegangen.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got it. Now wait. Oh God. No, Shlomo ist weggegangen. Hat sich angehoben a Vichus. Vikuach, I don't know what that is. After Shlomi went away, started a what's a Vikuach?
Like a discussion, but you know, when people are an argument.
An argument.
It's Hebrew. You cannot know. It's Hebrew.
Einer hat getan. It's one person maintained or said.
Yes.
As von deswegen hat Shlomo HaMelech sehr gedarft beraten mit die Tzadikim. And they said, and how would you ever translate von deswegen? I just can't even imagine that one.
Nevertheless.
Nevertheless, Shlomo HaMelech was supposed to, what's baratin? Oh, be part of the angel tzaddikim.
No, he had to advise baratin.
Yeah.
Oh, baratin is advised. I didn't know that word.
Yeah.
With the, how would you translate tzaddik?
The saints.
The saints. The
I'm losing my English.
The righteous one.
He is actually a very smart man. Aber nor einer, but not just.
But only one.
Die Tzadikim sind nicht als seine Chachomim. The saints are not so smart. Der Far aber asach. Oh, so that's why there's so many of them. Oh, wait. I have a low battery. Oh, yeah. Wait, I lost my place.
Azoi führt sich hier.
Okay, no, it went off. Azoi führte sich von Tamid on. That's the way he behaves all the time, from then on.
Yeah.
Tut, was will. He does whatever he wants. Und hört uns wie die Katz. And he hears us like we hear a cat. Fair, Yidden. Fair. How would you translate fair? Oi.
Exactly that way. Fair.
What?
Fair is fair.
Fair. Yeah, I don't know.
Fair, Jews. Fair.
What did you say, Maurice?
For shame.
Who?
For
Who?
shame.
For shame.
For shame.
Oh,
Yeah,
for
shame. For
For
shame.
shame, Jews, for shame. Ret and kegen amelach. He's talking against a king. Ret et. Oh no, retetz.
Yeah, that's that's a Warszawer way of declining. Retetz. You're talking.
Fair.
You're talking. Fair.
Hat sich angerufen a klein Tzadikel mit a Stimmer Berdel. So,
A cheater.
that,
A cheater.
a shitter. A small, a little saint started speaking. What's shitter? With a small, a thin, what?
Sparse.
Sparse. Sparse.
Farce.
Farce.
Oh, sparse.
Yeah.
Sparse beard. Men hat gemacht a Ware for die heilige Ovis. They made a, I don't know what Ware is.
To make way. To make way.
To make way. Oh wow. They made way for the religious or heilige fathers.
The Holy
Okay.
Fathers.
For
Holy
the
Father.
Holy Fathers.
Sie sennen a Reus von dem Beis Hamikdash und sich gelost aheim. They came out of the study hall and went home.
Yes?
Hastes morgen. So it seems that tomorrow, or Ibermorgen, or the day after, is
Mechuyev.
Oh, I can't hear.
I'm sorry. Mechayev zu sein an Entfer.
Oh, there's no privacy in here.
Oh, sorry, Henriette. I'm sorry. Is it our noise or your noise? Anyway, where am I? Iber morgen is Mechayev zu sein an Entfer. Hat Yitzchak Avinu gesagt. I'm going to need help in this one. So it seems that tomorrow or the next day, what's Mechayev?
There should be an answer.
An answer. Hat Yitzchak, the king.
No,
or the father.
Our father.
The father
our
said.
father.
Said.
Our Father. It's our Father.
Right, our Father. Ich bin dir
Mavtiach. Mavtiach, I promise you.
I promise you, as der Entfer wird sein a gute, that the answer is going to be a good one. Hold on 1 second, I got you in the way here. Hat ihm Avraham Avinu gesagt. And said, Abraham our father said.
It's not said. It's not said.
Oh, the case.
He consoled him.
Consoled him.
He consoled him. Von dein Maul is God's euren. From your mouth should be God's ears. Tate, Amen. Father, Amen. Hat abgesifzt Yitzchak Avinu. Und die
Are you finished vacuuming?
Und die others sind weitergegangen. He sort of, how would you say, abgesift? He
sighed.
He sighed. Yitzchak, our father, sighed, and the fathers went further.
Went further. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm sorry. It was hard.
Yeah, well, because there are, lots of Hebrew words, so that's why. So that's the end of this chapter. And as I said, you can continue reading it. the Yiddish Book Center has the whole book in Yiddish. And if you want, I saw that there is a translation in English, not on the Yiddish Book Center, some online someplace, or if you want, yeah. So we are moving to Bergelson. Just a moment. Let me make it bigger. So on the 12th of August, 1952, 13 Yiddish intellectuals were executed in Moscow. Among them were 6 Yiddish writers, poets, and David Bergelson was among them. Until now, I didn't bring him because he's kind of, there is really no story here. It's like a picture, like a tableau, and it's very atmospheric. What you have to get from it's the atmosphere of the story. So let's start reading it, and any question, just raise your hand, okay? So let's commemorate those writers. So, Vinkl, you're here?
You move it to the right a little bit?
Yes.
Me
Here it is. Yeah.
You can hear me?
And it was written in 1916. So before the Soviets came into power. Okay, Vinkl, please.
At night, bei Nacht. Bei Nacht, einmal hab ich sich aufgehabt in dem eng gepackten, dunklen und schwer schnurchendicken Waggon. At night one time, I awakened in the tightly packed, dark, and heavy snoring train compartment. Ich hab ihm gleich der Sinn sitzen a kegen mir auf der Bank. I saw him sitting across from me on the chair, und ich hab ihm gleich erkannt, and I immediately recognized him. Das ist gewesen der altbekannte Yid. This was he, the old, well-known Jew. Was ständig, als fort mit der Bahn, who always, when he is traveling by train, kann nicht schlafen bei Nacht. He cannot sleep at night. Und als kann nicht schlafen bei Nacht, nuddet And when he can't sleep at night, he is bored. Und als nuddet, and when he's bored, sucht etwas bei jeden in die Augen. He searches for something in everybody's eyes, und mont etwas jeden bei der Neshama. And he demands something from everybody's soul. Mont stumm nor nogendik und on an oifher. He demands silently but naggingly and without cease. Junger Mann hat auf mir bald a Wurf getan, seine wasserdicke, ewig unmittige Augen. Young man, he immediately casts his eyes, his watery, eternally sad eyes upon me. Wohin fort ihr, junger Mann? Where are you going, young man? Dabei hat sein Kohl abgeklungen in meine Ohren, and that is how thereby his voice resounded in my ears, säuerlich und alt älter von der Zeit. So sourly and older than time, was ich gedenk, that I can remember. Und weil hat mehr zu mir nicht gerät, and since he didn't say anything more to me, hab sich gedacht, I supposed, As nit hot das Kol von sich herausgelost, that his voice did not come from within him. Es trogen sich von ergets weit. It traveled from somewhere far away. Und es fordert din v'cheshbon. And it demanded judgment and reckoning. Younger man, wohin fort ihr ergets? Young man, where are you going? Just exactly where are you going, younger man?
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Any question until now?
Yes, the word cheshbon.
Yeah. Cheshbon is, yeah. It's like Feigl say the reckoning. Din v'cheshbon is like a reckoning.
Oh, yes.
But
Make a reckoning.
Cheshbon is to calculate.
Yes,
so
I remember.
That's another word. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bonnie, yes. You're muted, Bonnie.
In the second paragraph, and I'm not even sure where we are on the page. No, I'm sorry. In the below, it's the last line before you lower it. It's Jungermann. Oh, Jungermann. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Young man.
Yeah.
Okay. Marsha?
Frenchman is also a messy place. Frenchman, and also.
I cannot really understand you.
Oh, you can't hear me?
Now it's okay. Yes.
I just wanted to know. I heard of a cheshbon, like a place where the poor people lived.
No, that's Ekdesh.
Oh, a Hegdish. Oh, and
Ekdesh, that's cheshbon, that's something else. Ekdesh. That's where the poor people live. Okay?
Me?
Any other questions? Okay, so Michael Fiesman, please.
Okay. Und als ich hab das zweite Mal öffnen getan, die Augen, and when a second time I opened my eyes in einem dunklen, schwer schnorchedicken Waggon, in the dark, heavily snoring wagon, ist der Zug noch als gelaufen über schwarze Sumpen und Vista, wasserdicke Felder.
Michael, slower.
Yeah, and stop and translate.
Yeah.
Is der Zug, the train, noch ausgelaufen, was still going, über schwarze Sumpen, over black swamps, und vista wasserdicke Felder, and waste watery fields, und die Nacht hat noch als geschmissen, and night was still beating around us, mit Regentränen on the fenster, with rainy tears on the windows of the train. Und in einem weiten Waggonwinkel and in the far wagon corner hat noch als gezankt das Licht. The candle was still flickering, gehalten in continued to halten in ein Zanken und Ausgehen. It kept on flickering and going out. Gegenüber dem Dinam Tierventil, against the thin partition, door partition, was fit in der zweiten Waggon Abteilung that leads into the second wagon compartment. Abteilung is not quite compartment, division. Ja, hat sich lang und unaufhörlich gerissen, gewickelt, sich gerissen, gewickelt Wigkind. And in that compartment, in that division, long and without stopping, a baby in arms, wrapped up, was screaming, shrieking. Und dort leben wochendicken Nachtjiden. And here next to the secular night Jew was gegen mir auf der Bank, who's sitting opposite me on the bench, is schon gesessen a roitbackiger Bocher, a red-cheeked young man was sitting already in a Leibel und in Stiefel. He was sitting with a coat and boots. Und euch hat der Bocher, and also this same young man, hat sich mir gedacht, I thought, kenn ich schon von lang. I know him from before. Ständig hebt ihm auf von sein eingesessen Ort etwas an Unglück. Always from the place where he's settled, the settled seat, his disaster comes from him. Was hat mit ihm getroffen? You can feel the disaster that getroffen, that affected him. Und ständig hören ihm Menschen aus, and always people listen to him. They gucken mit Rachmones, they look with pity in sein Ponem, in his face, und schweigen or quiet, bemerken sie derweil. In the meantime, they see as is beteva a guter, that by nature he is a good person, und sagen to him, and they say to him, junger Mann, young man, sagen sie to him, they say to him, hab sich, okay, grab sei Michael, forgive us, hab sich arop und para uns op a chinical te. Get up and come down, hab sich arop, come down and steam us a kettle of tea.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Michael. Vinkl, yes, you have a question, a comment?
Yeah, there were two words. One was on the third line, wachendicken Nacht Jeden. I thought that was a wakeful Jew. The night Jew that was awake.
Yeah, wachendick, you're right.
Yes, you're right, yes.
And then in that last sentence, the chapsich.
Chapsich harop.
Sich harop, get down, it's a rob chappen sich.
It means get up and do something, yeah. Get up. Okay, Vinkl?
Okay.
Elaine?
Come down here, chapsich harop, it's not a roof. Harop.
Yeah, that was my question. Thank you.
Yeah, the way I interpreted that, it was the rope didn't go with the, maybe I was wrong, but the chapsich I thought meant was like hold yourselves to, like hold on, and then the rope went that he should get up and steam a kettle of tea. That was addressed. The first thing was addressed to the people, chapsich.
Okay, sure.
He said to them, hold on, excuse me, and then but yeah, maybe the
no, they are telling him to do it. So yeah, Karen, please.
I think another way to interpret Sei Moichel is be so kind as to.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yes.
Yeah.
Marsha?
Yeah, sometimes when you wake up from a dream, you chapsich harup, you know?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
I think if you're getting up from a dream, mich hab sich aufchappen rather than
aufchappen.
Yeah.
Aufchappen is besser.
Right.
Oh.
Bonnie?
What does Moichel mean in that context?
Forgive me. Hi, Michael, forgive me.
Oh,
But
okay.
Got it? Forgive me.
Literally,
Yeah, so I was
forgive
looking
me.
at the commas and I was trying to figure out where it, so I just wasn't clear on why that was interjected there, comma, and then the rest of the severable prefix came after.
just being polite.
Okay. So, yeah, I just didn't understand why they came in between, but I guess
Wouldn't it just
grammatically
be
that's correct.
wouldn't it be just stylistic?
Yeah.
It's an
Just a way of,
interjection.
just a way of writing.
Okay. Got it.
Any other questions, comments before we continue? It's or join. Rinalea, can you continue? It's or join. Here. Rinalea, I saw you before. Where are you? You are here, but no picture or something. Oh, Levana, you are here. Nice to see you. Okay, read. It's not showing. If you're here,
Okay, I'll read, but I haven't prepared it, and it's Bergelson is not easy.
No,
It's
but you know, that's okay.
okay, and I'll try. It's hat schon der Woche gehabt, aus der zählt dem wochendicken Nachtjeden, wegen alle Unglück. And now the young man started telling those who were awake
No, it's not started. It's not started, Levana, because Gerhard is the child. He already told them. He already finished telling them.
Then he had finished telling them about his misfortune, was haben mit ihm getroffen, that happened to him. Dazu kann ich noch nicht schlafen. And that's why I can't sleep, hat sich still gekloppt. He complained. He quietly complained. Und was tut man? Was tut man in asa langer Nacht? And what do we do? What can we do in such a long night? Was tut man? What can we do? Der vernudeter Nachtjid hat nicht verstanden. The bored awake, who was still awake person, didn't understand. Was heißt, was tut man? What do you mean by what can we do? Hat lang gesucht, etwas beim Reutbacken. Bocher.
Reutbacken, hier.
Ja, Reutbacken Bocher. He searched a long time the face of the red-cheeked young man in die Augen, in his eyes, und ihm lang etwas gemalt bei der Neshama, and figured out, imagined, let's say, something about him, specifically about him. Was sollst du tun? Hat still übergechasert. What can we do? What can be done? He quietly repeated, und sein Chor hat dabei wieder abgeklungen, monotonisch. And his voice sounded again monotonous.
Monotonous, yeah.
säuerlich und alt, älter von der Zeit. Säuerlich was bitter and as if coming from long ago. Was ich gedenk, as far as I can remember.
No, longer than the time that I can remember.
Longer than the time that I can remember.
I told you it's very atmospheric. This thing, very impressionistic, very atmospheric. But
it's so beautiful.
Yeah,
it's very beautiful, but it's not an easy one. Thank you, Levana. Thank you.
Wonderful, Levana.
Yeah, Hilda, can you continue? Kukarein.
Kukarein in a Sefer hat gesagt, learn, look in a book, and he said, and learn.
I think it's important that look in a holy book, not just any book.
Right. Thank you. Ken ich aber nicht, hat sich der Bucher geklagt. But I can ich aber nicht, but I can't. The young man he complained. Kennst nicht, you can't. Der Jid hat sich vertracht. The Jew was thoughtful. Kennst nicht, to sag mir noch, Wort in Wort, sag. You can't, but tell me word for word.
Yeah, so it's like repeat after me word for word.
Right, okay. In Anfang is gewesen die Erd leer und unwist und der
Abgrund
und der Abgrund choshech und
Gott
und Gott Gast hat
rumgeschwebt
über die über die Wasser.
Okay, where is Morty when we need him? He's not here.
This just cracked me up. This is
And he said,
that's the beginning of the
it's
Bereshit. Yeah.
In the beginning was the heaven and the earth empty.
The earth, okay.
Und leer, also empty.
Yes.
Und der Abgrund and I don't know what Abgrund is.
The earth was without shape and void.
I'm trying to think.
In the beginning was the earth.
I think the Abgrund is the.
I can't think of it in English. I can only think of it in Hebrew.
It's abyss.
Abyss.
Oh, and the abyss, right. Choshech, and it was dark.
Yeah.
Und God's Geist is Geist, and God's Spirit hat herumgeschwebt, was floating around over the what is that word?
Wasseren.
Oh,
The
Wasser
water.
was floating over the waters.
Yeah. Okay, so it's like בראשית ברא אלוהים את השמיים ואת הארץ.
Yeah.
הארץ,
I could have got my Bible and just read it.
הארץ הייתה תוהו ובוהו ורוח אלוהים מרחפת על פני המים. You see, I still remember it. I just wanted to see if I remember it.
Yeah.
Great.
Did somebody actually translate the whole Bible into Yiddish and they're
Yes,
reading it in
yes,
Yiddish?
yes.
Yes,
Wow.
more than
Wow.
once. Yes, there are many.
Wow.
Yes.
And he did it in the Bronx. His name was Yehoish.
Yehoish, yes. Sorry. So if
No,
you really
but
want,
I want to know, in 1916, did they have a Yiddish Torah that they studied from?
They had some from the Middle Ages.
Really?
They had
yeah,
some.
but
They would
they
study from
didn't
that?
study. They never studied from the Yiddish. It was
Yeah,
always
they studied always from the Hebrew, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Anyway,
Very
any
fun.
comments
Very
about
funny.
the descriptions, the words, anything here?
There was a specific name for the Yiddish translation, which I can't remember now.
Taich.
The Yiddish and
Taich
Torah.
Chumash.
Oh.
Right, wasn't that what the women used? The
No,
book that
that's
the women
the
used.
penis.
But
No.
that's not.
Penis,
But
penis.
that's not. Yeah,
Yeah,
but that's not the Bible. That's Taich Chumash, but that's not the Bible. That's not
Right. No,
exactly.
the Taich Chumash is like the Tzenerene.
That's exactly
Yiddish, and it takes stories and parts of the Sforim and it's verteidigt into Yiddish.
Yeah. Okay, Karen, please go on.
As the saying goes, verteidigt and verbessert.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sure.
It's meant to be funny.
Arum und Arum ist der schwer
No.
leuchten.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
In Anfang.
I'm sorry. In Anfang hat der Bocher noch gesagt. In the beginning, the young man repeated the words of the Yid. Is gewen die Erd leer und wüst. The ground was empty and desolate. Und der Aufgrund and the abyss, heuschig, gloomy and dark. Und Gottes Geist hat Arum geschwebt über die Wasseren, and God's Spirit floated over the waters. Arum und Arum ist der schwer läufendiger, vertunkelter Waggon, noch als gewinn, voll mit Schnorch und Bloserei von die. Around and around the heavy running dark wagon still was full with snoring and blowing from those was bei dem Schein von dem sankendicken Licht schlafen sie in drei Fachen, those who, from the shine of the flickering light, sleep in three shelves, einer höher von dem zweiten, one higher than the other. Verschwitzter Pennemer, sweating faces, haben sich geräutelt, were, I don't know if this is, were reddened, wie von geschwillets, a swollen person and a
yes, from the swollen.
Backen haben sich geblosen, cheeks blown out, or Nezer haben gepfeift, noses whistled, und als auf verschiedener Stegers, and all of the whistling of different manners.
He's
Different manners.
describing the people sleeping in the wagon, and everyone is
different whistling noises.
yes.
Gewinn is a five gesetzter. There was a I'm sorry, I can't.
A stable,
an established, a lighter share, a respectable one. A five was is Gott die Neshama schuldig, a whistle totally innocent, und hat
Bedeya.
Hat Bedeya zu sagen, and was an
and he wants to say
thank you, and wanted to say, nu yo ich schlaf, avade schlaf ich, truly, yes, I'm sleeping, of course I'm sleeping. Given is a five, yes dicker.
Yes.
Dicker. There was a whistle of despair, of resignation. Was lost sich auf Hefker, that was of abandonment.
Yeah.
Ich schlaf waren sis sorry. Thank you. Welt, I sleep because it is a chaotic world.
Right. That's it.
Gewinn is euch a five, gezickter, a singing voice. There was also a whistle, singing whistle. Was verdreht sich wie a Tiber.
I have no idea what it is.
Tavir. It's one of the trope marks.
The river Tiber was a meandering river, and this so there was a singing whistle that turned itself like maybe like the Tiber River meandered.
Okay.
Und fragt Kasha, and asked a question. Vorje wird schon do sein. What will it be here?
Mm-hmm.
What is what will it, does anyone have another translation of that?
What will happen here?
What will be, what will happen? As alle Wellen schlafen, Vorje wird schon do sein. If all will sleep, what will happen?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Karen. That was really a difficult. The whole story is difficult, but that was really difficult. Thank you. Yes, Vinkl. Yes.
Yeah. I think that Tavir, that word, I don't think it's the Tiber River. I think it's the name of one of the trope marks, because he's singing like cantillation, in an ornamental style. So Tavir, it sounds kind of like a question.
That's great.
Everybody.
Thank you.
If I could ask a question. Hello?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, on that line, Ich schlaf, warum says What is that? Toya?
Tohu.
Tohu vavohu. Chaos.
Tohu.
Chaos.
And wait, how do you say that?
Chaos.
Tohu.
Tohu vavohu.
Tohu vavohu.
It's
Yes,
Hebrew.
but that's the Hebrew one.
And what does it mean?
Chaos.
Chaos.
Like the
Chaos?
world before it was
Explain what
created.
the words
Chaos.
actually mean, though.
Yeah.
It's
What is it?
the world was in chaos.
Tohu vavohu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I
Yeah.
read it all.
All right.
Very good what you wrote, and she can think
Susan,
about
chaos.
her husband.
Well, it's a
forget what
quote
the
from
dad is
it's a
called.
quote
Keep
from
in
the
mind.
It's the
Torah.
Bible. Exactly. It's a quote from the Bible.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
Ivana?
also have written that maybe she might want
Yes,
to let Jen know
Who's talking?
so he doesn't work on it.
Who's talking?
I
It's a
muted.
question
Okay.
about gezickelter. Does it I thought it had to do with zickle. It means
It's
repeating.
It's flickering. It's flickering.
Flick, F-L-I-C-K. Flick.
To
Flickering.
flicker. The lights are flickering.
The five gezickelter.
Oh,
The five. I thought it meant a repeating
a
five.
repeating in a cycle.
Yes.
Like in a cycle, yeah. A
Yes.
repeating. Up, down, yeah. A repeating one. Yes, yes, you're right. Yes. Vinkl?
Yeah, about
Tohu vavohu is a Hebrew phrase that translates to formless and void. It appears in the first chapter of Genesis to describe the state of the earth before God's creation. But
but it is
vavohu is
but it is
formless
chaos.
and void.
Yeah.
And that's why
Okay.
it comes to mean chaos.
Yeah. Okay, yes. Vinkl, yeah.
Yeah, the Yiddish translation of the Torah, there's a famous one by Yoish, but there's but there's that one by the Texan. There's that one, Alexander Gurvitz, the guy that interviewed you all for the article about Jews in Texas. It was
There is one, Alexander. No, it's not the guy. But
he translated the
He
Torah
translated the Torah. No, he's not the interviewer, but he's cited by the interviewer in that article in the forewords, and there were links to it. And I've been reading it. It's really good. It's another
Sure.
because Yehoash is poetic, but it's not rhymed. And so, if you want to read the Torah,
It's Pushet Yiddish. It's Pushet Mamaloshen.
Yeah.
Nicht in Gramen.
Nicht in Gramen.
This is in Gramen, yeah. Griffiths is in Gramen.
Okay, let's go on. Sol. Una pfeifa starkerer. Sol.
Me?
Yes, you.
Okay.
We have only one.
So in A5, a stärkere, was will von Gonisch nicht wissen, in Wort. In a whistle, and a powerful whistle, was self, and I don't know what that means.
Doesn't want to hear from anything, doesn't want to know from anything.
And doesn't want to know.
And he's warning.
Okay. Weg nicht, Sven nicht, Sven nicht helfen. Weg nicht. So don't wake up because it's not going to help.
Yeah.
Inzwischen hat dem Schnorren in Pfeiferei hat der Reutebecker Bocher noch gesagt, dem Fahrnüdigen nach die Wart in Wahrheit.
Wort in Wort.
Okay.
Wort in Wort.
Wort in Wort. So zwischen dem, so between the guy snoring and the red-cheeked fellow said dem
He repeated, noch gesagt, repeated.
noch gesagt, ja, okay, dem vernötigten Nachtitel. I'm not sure what Farnudiken means.
Vernudeten the board. Board.
Oh, boy. Well,
B-O-R-E-D.
B-O-R-E. Oh, he's bored. Oh, Farnudiken Nachtied. Now, what is a Nachtied? A nighttime Jew?
The nighttime Jew, the one that is not asleep. Yeah.
All right. About word for word. Wie soll Gott hat beschaffen Himmel und Erd. The way God created heaven and earth. Sun und Stern. Sun and Stern.
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 The stars.
Oh, Stern. Oh, Stern. Tag und Nacht, day and night. Schwarzen.
Schwarzim.
Schratzim. In Chayas. So what are Schratzen? What is that?
Insects.
Oh, insects. Okay. Schratzen in Chayas. Insects and wild animals. Oiphoit. I'm not sure what that is.
Birds.
I don't know if it's insects or the animal.
Crawling stuff.
Yes.
Crawling things.
Oh, crawling things. Okay.
And oifes are birds.
Okay. Crawling things and wild animals and birds.
Grazer.
Grazer in Manchen.
Menschen.
Grazer in Menschen.
Grazer.
Grazer.
No. Grazer, like you know, the
Grasses.
grasses.
Oh, grasses and people.
Yes.
Wie soll der Schlang is gewesen Krieg. I don't know how the snake got to be so smart. In the Schlechtigkeit. Oh, wenn Menschen hat sich gemord.
Gemerd.
And somehow the badness of people were populated or were created.
Got more and more, became more
multiplied.
and more.
Oh, multiplied. Okay. And Gott hat sich bedankt. And God wondered, was hat den Menschen beschaffen. So God wondered, why did I create people? Gott hat gesagt, ich will aufmerken, wenn der Erd aus. He wants to do away with everything, blot out everything. Punem, Menschen. What is that, Punem?
No, from the mention. He wants to erase everything from the people.
Oh, from the mention was ich hab beschaffen, from the people that I created. Bis Ashretz. Asheretz? What is Asheretz?
Like the Shrotzim. Shrotzim is a lot and Sheretz is one. Until to the crawling things.
In as oif was fleet, and also things that fly in their hoyach, in the sky, up above. Warum ich hab sich bedenkt. So while I was thinking about it.
Because I changed my mind.
Oh, warum ich hab sich bedenkt. Oh, okay. So I thought about it. Was ich hab sei beschaffen, and why I created them. And Plitzen is
suddenly.
Plötzlich. Oh yeah, suddenly is beim Prinzeten.
Vernudeten Nachtiden.
Vernudeten Nachtiden ausgewachsen. Ausgewachsen. Etwas einer Mensch, was heißt Noach.
Noach.
Noach. Oh, Noah. So, what's that?
Suddenly, by the board Jew, night Jew,
Yeah. A night Jew ausgewachsen, etwas eine. Ausgewachsen, what, something sprouted?
Yes. Yeah,
Huh?
yeah. It's like
Stood up or
a human being sprouted or came up or what
arose?
arose.
Arose. Etwas eine, a Mensch, as something like a person. Was heißt Noah? His name is Noah.
Yes.
Epis Einer is like some guy.
Some guy that is, and he is Noah. Yeah. Thank you.
That's great.
Thank you. Yes, Mariv. Mariv, I saw you. Mariv.
I just love this. It's such gorgeous writing. I mean, we've spent like 2 or 3 pages just seeping us in this little what the experience was like to, travel on a night train. And I just want to say, Nachid, I think it's got several meanings. I mean, it could mean, night train is what you take when it's the cheap fare because, that's not a fun time to travel. But doesn't it also sort of suggest these people coming home from their work, they're coming home, the peddlers coming home from being far away from home, everybody tired and it's kind of a sad situation where they're trying to get some rest. Just so many layers to this. It's wonderful. So.
And we have to remember that it's Russia and it's a vast country. So, to go from one place to another requires a long time.
Yeah.
Elaine?
Varum. What is varum?
Varum. It's
German.
German.
I'm sorry?
It's a German word. Warum? Warum?
Because.
There's a couple of words that he uses, what they call Deutschmerisch. These were words that were modern German words that some writers wanted to introduce into Yiddish to give Yiddish a higher class standing. So
what
that's
is
one
it?
of them.
What does it mean?
Because.
Oh,
Yeah.
varum. Oh, isn't it?
Because.
Oh, okay.
Because.
Isn't it like the same as varum, like warm?
No.
It's spelled differently. It's spelled differently.
Can you highlight where that is?
At the moment I will find it.
It's the third line up from the bottom for first word.
Oh.
Third line from the bottom first word.
Here.
So it's pronounced varum with the emphasis on the...
In German it's warum, but in Yiddish it's warum.
In Yiddish it's warum.
Just the way you see it. Warum.
Okay. You say that's for because?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
It could also mean why in a question.
Could mean what?
Why?
I don't know.
In a question.
I don't know. Favos is the usual. I don't know if they use it to mean why, but they certainly use it to mean because.
Okay. Vinkl?
Yeah, that word that keeps coming up in different forms, vernudeten in this.
Vernudeten.
Everybody's familiar with the word nudnik.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
It can mean boring or it can mean pesky. And so I think that's another layer, there's so many layers. He's a pesky knight, Why is he boring? Because why is something pesky? It's because it's boring. Why is something boring?
Yeah.
I think it's because he's bored and he's looking around and bothering everybody, by poking into their souls,
So anyway, we have only, one page to finish the story, but we will do it next time because it's already after 12 and some people are hungry and we will let them go to
So I hand raised.
Here it's after 1.
Sorry?
Here it's after 1.
Yes,
people
exactly.
are allowed to leave? People are allowed to leave. I didn't hear about this.
No, it's just too scintillating, the conversation.
Yes, but
I don't like to leave this wonderful conversation.
Yeah, so we will continue. We will finish it next time, and I will also send you a new story that we will do it next time. So I'm glad that it was not too bad, because I was always afraid to bring Bergelson because he's so, he's kind of very impressionistic. He doesn't tell you exactly a story. He portrays something.
Yeah,
so.
he's talking about characters and
Exactly.
what a situation like that was like when you were all
Yeah.
stuffed together in a crowded car and people were snoring and people were bothering each other. It's wonderful.
Yeah. So we will continue it next week. So who else is going to Yiddish land? Elaine, are you going this year?
Yeah, who else is going? Who
I'm
should I look
going.
for?
Rochelle is going.
Oh, I'll look for you. Where are you? Are you staying in one of the cottages?
Yeah,
Oh,
And I think that Michael Moore is also going.
he went last year. I don't know if he's going this year.
He told us that he's going this year as
okay,
well.
so
So
he'll be
you will
there.
have a reunion.
what are the rooms like?
Where are you staying?
I don't know, whatever the single lakeside something was.
Oh, okay. So
They're
those
from
are
the
cottages.
like from the
That's what I meant.
reconstructed
Yes.
50s.
Yeah.
They're all right.
Anyway, when you come back, you will let us know. You will tell us about it. Yes.
Sure. Auf Yiddish?
Well,
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yiddish, it will be better if you can do it.
The best part about the cabins is the view of the lake, and that is nirvana.
Well, evidently I got some, she must have gotten the same email yesterday, and some rooms face the lake and some
some
face
are in the
the
back.
other way. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
but
I don't know.
there are lots of other accommodations also.
Yeah, I'm signing off. Anyway, have a great time, Elaine.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you there,
I'll look for
Elaine.
you,
Bye,
Rochelle.
everyone. Levana,
Okay.
sie sehr gut,
Thank you.
gesehen.
Thank you, Lavana.
Seid gesund.
Geh mal rein noch einmal.
Ich will ja, weil es hat sich geendigt, der Pariser Sommerkurs.
Okay.
Ja,
Okay, sehr gut. So, geh mal rein. Und die line sehr gut, so that's good.
ich will das toll.
Okay, so see you all next week. Seien wir alle
See you.
gesehen.
Except for us.
Yeah, okay. Okay, bye.